Okay, this is an illusion. An illusion is where you're not sure that you can believe what your eyes are showing you, right? So I have 2 blue cards and 1 red card. Now if I put the blue card, or if I put the red card right on the bottom, okay? Now if I give it a little shaking like this, an illusion would be if it looked like that card was now in the middle, but it can't be in the middle because we just put it on the bottom. Now that's impossible. And now maybe the back is confusing you. So here's what I can do. If I put it here,
Coming right now.
like this, and if I were to give it a shake like this, so that it ended up in the center, you shouldn't be able to take it out from the center like this. Unless, now if you could, you should be able to do something like this. You should be able to put that card into the center, and then just give it a shake like this, and it comes straight to the bottom, but that's impossible. Isn't that weird?